All right, here is a lot of antique hardware, the doorknobs, the hinges, as you can see. So we'll start off with, we got three of the bigger hinges here, and we got four of these ones here. You got the turn keys, as you can see right here. There's two, and then part of the locking mechanism. You got that. That's a little bit bent from taking it off. The Harvard hinges, those are pretty nice. Some of these K&D 4x4s. Some of the plates there. And the good stuff here would be the doorknobs. So there's a porcelain black. And we have this one here. Very nice. This one's a little bit rough. Throw that in there. Here's one of them. I believe that most of these are matching sets. There is a dent there. The rest of them should be pretty good. I mean, I could probably take those off for you. There's that one there. There's a little bit dent in there. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total sets, and then the other ones there. So, yep, that's hopefully the information that'll get you to get there and get this bought for you. All right, well, thank you.